In 2025, opportunities have grown bigger than ever, thanks to technology and global financial changes. The truth is, relying only on a salary is no longer enough to stay ahead financially. Inflation, rising costs, and uncertain job markets are pushing people to explore other income sources. That's where passive income comes in. Money that flows without constant active effort. Some require upfront work, others need capital, but all can create lasting financial security. Imagine checking your account each month and seeing money you didn't have to work for. Today, I'll reveal 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. These are practical, proven, and scalable opportunities for beginners and pros alike. So grab a notebook, because one of these could change the way you think about money forever, and make sure you watch until the end. 1. Dividend stocks and ETFs. When it comes to passive income, dividend stocks and ETFs are a timeless classic. The concept is simple. You invest in companies, and they pay you a portion of their profits. In 2025, specialized ETFs make this even easier, offering automatic diversification and low fees. Instead of picking one risky stock, you're investing in a basket of stable dividend-paying companies. The income comes in the form of regular payouts, often quarterly, which you can reinvest or spend. What makes this powerful is the compounding effect. Reinvested dividends grow your wealth over time. This isn't a get-rich-quick approach. It's slow, steady, and reliable. Even if markets fluctuate, dividend-paying companies tend to be more stable. Some ETFs even focus on high-dividend sectors like utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples. With as little as $50, beginners can start investing through apps and platforms. It requires patience, but over a few years, your small contributions can snowball. 2. High-interest savings and digital banks. Not all passive income comes from risky investments. Some come from simple saving strategies. In 2025, digital banks are offering surprisingly high interest rates, sometimes as much as 6% APY. This means your money grows just by sitting in the account. Unlike the stock market, there's no volatility, and your money remains safe and accessible. It's not going to make you a millionaire, but it's guaranteed growth with zero effort. Many people underestimate the power of high-yield accounts when used strategically. For example, pairing them with automatic transfers builds both discipline and passive earnings. Some banks even offer cash bonuses just for maintaining a balance. In times of financial uncertainty, having cash that works for you is invaluable. Think of it as step 1 on your passive income journey, a foundation of security. Even small amounts add up when compounded monthly across years. Digital banking has made this more competitive, so consumers win with higher returns. 3. Real estate crowdfunding. For decades, real estate was the gold standard of passive income, but it required big capital. In 2025, real estate crowdfunding platforms have opened the doors to everyone. With as little as $100, you can co-invest in residential or commercial properties. The platform handles tenants, maintenance, and management while you collect passive returns. Your earnings come from rent distributions, property appreciation, or profit sharing. It's like owning a piece of real estate without the headaches of being a landlord. This method is growing rapidly because it combines accessibility with tangible asset ownership. You no longer need to save thousands for a down payment. Instead, you join thousands of investors pooling money into profitable real estate projects. Platforms often provide detailed reports, making it transparent and beginner-friendly. Returns vary, but they typically outperform traditional savings accounts and some bonds. It's an excellent hedge against inflation because real estate values generally rise over time. 4. Automated online businesses. The dream of owning an online business that runs itself is becoming reality. In 2025, automation tools have reduced 80% of the work required to manage e-commerce. Dropshipping, print-on-demand, and AI-driven platforms make passive income more achievable than ever. For example, print-on-demand lets you upload designs, and the platform handles printing and shipping. With dropshipping, you sell products without holding inventory, and suppliers fulfill the orders. AI chatbots now manage customer service, making the process nearly hands-off. Once the system is set, your store can generate sales 24/7 worldwide. Yes, it requires upfront work to design and market products, but long-term it's hands-free. The beauty is scalability. Your store can grow without adding much extra effort. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon give access to millions of global customers. Social media ads and influencer marketing can drive passive sales while you focus elsewhere. It's not a get-rich-today model, but over months it becomes a consistent earner. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Imagine becoming the bank instead of borrowing from it. That's peer-to-peer lending. In 2025, P2P platforms connect lenders with borrowers directly, cutting out traditional banks. You can lend small amounts to individuals or businesses and earn interest in return. The returns are often higher than savings accounts or government bonds. AI-driven risk assessments now make the process safer by analyzing borrower creditworthiness. The best strategy is to diversify your lending across many borrowers. That way, even if one defaults, the others keep your income steady. Some platforms even offer insurance to cover partial losses. This makes it a more reliable option for passive income seekers. It requires minimal effort. You deposit money, choose borrowers, and watch the interest grow. Returns vary, but many investors see 6 to 12% annually. It's also socially rewarding because you're helping small businesses and individuals thrive. 6. Content creation and royalties. Content is king, and in 2025, it pays more than ever. One YouTube video, ebook, or stock photo can generate royalties for years. Platforms have made it easier to distribute content worldwide, creating multiple revenue streams. For example, YouTube pays through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Ebooks self-published on Amazon can sell passively for years after launch. Musicians earn royalties whenever their songs are streamed or licensed. Photographers make money each time someone buys their stock images. The beauty is, content creation requires more creativity than money. Yes, it takes upfront effort, but once published, it keeps earning. Many creators in 2025 rely on a library of content that works for them. iTools now help generate, edit, and market content, reducing the workload. Even a small channel or blog can grow into a steady income stream. 7. Investing in AI tools and startups. The future of wealth is tied to artificial intelligence. In 2025, AI-driven startups are the hottest area for investors. These companies scale faster, operate cheaper, and disrupt traditional industries. Now, crowdfunding platforms allow everyday people to invest in AI companies early. You don't need to be a venture capitalist. Even $100 can get you started. If the company grows, your investment can multiply exponentially. It's higher risk, but the upside potential is unmatched. iTools are also an income stream themselves. People build and sell AI-powered apps, chatbots, and automation tools. Some platforms even let you rent AI tools and earn royalties. Investors who got into AI early are already seeing huge returns. In 2025, ignoring AI is like ignoring the internet in the 2000s. And there you have it. 7 passive income ideas that are truly working in 2025. From traditional dividend investing to futuristic AI startups, the opportunities are endless. The secret is not to chase them all at once, but to pick one and commit. Every millionaire started by building one solid stream of income before branching out. Your future self will thank you for planting the seeds now. So tell me, which of these 7 methods excites you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your plans. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for weekly financial strategies.